Track 26.
That was fantastic. I really loved it. It's her new album, right?
Yes, it is. And I think it's her best album. What other types of music do you like?
Well, I love listening to rap and jazz. We often listen to jazz at home. My parents and my older brother like it.
Really? Jazz is okay, but it's not my favourite type of music. I like rock and hip-hop best. I don't like listening to opera, but my parents love it. They listen to it all the time.
Well, I think a lot of older people like classical music, but it's not so popular with young people.
Some like it. My sister plays the violin in an orchestra and in a band, so she likes playing classical music and rock.
Oh, I'd love to see her play. Tell me when she's got her next concert.
OK, we can go together.
Great. Can you play the violin?
No, I hate playing the violin. I tried, but it's so difficult.
So what's your favourite instrument then?
Well, I really love playing the electric guitar. It's a great instrument. I like playing the keyboard as well. What about you?
My favourite instrument is the saxophone. I love playing the saxophone. I quite like playing the piano too.
What about the drums?
No way. I hate listening to the drums. They're too loud. And I certainly don't want to learn to play them.
I agree. So it's your turn to choose an album. Which one do you want to play?
How about this?